as one. Warriors carved from steel and stone, echoes of ancient blood still call, guiding our blades as kingdoms fall. Through ash and smoke our footsteps roar, bound by oaths we crave the war. No fear of death, no turning back, our fate is written on the battle's track. Raise your shields, ignite the flame, let thunder chant our hated name. Spears like serpents strike the sky, tonight the weak shall bleed and die. Voices raging, hearts ablaze, we walk the path the gods once paved. Bones of the fallen beneath our stride, ghosts of the past march at our side. Drums awaken the sleeping rage, unleashing wrath no chains can cage. Odin watches